Today we're installing a brand new chip for the Xbox 360 called the Glow mod. This is another great chip from Element and I'd like to show it off and also show you how to install it yourself. These chips are for sale on the ChipChop mod website here in the UK, so I'll leave a link in the description below where you can purchase them. The PCB mounts itself on the back of the Ring of Light module and provides a nice animation when the console has standby power. It's a small mod, but a mod nonetheless, so I was excited to try it out for myself. The mod only requires 5 wires and works on both RGH and retail consoles. So without further ado, this is how you install it. Locate pads TP7, TP9, TP11, TP18 and TP10 and tin them. If you prefer written diagrams, then I've left one in the description below too. Next, stick the PCB down to the Ring of Light board using some adhesive. Then tin the 5 pads on the PCB. The silkscreen on the PCB labels each point the same as the Xbox PCB does. Next we will connect each signal using some 24 gauge solid core wire. After they're soldered, clean up the flux with some isopropyl alcohol. With all the soldering done, we can now look at the final result. And there it is. The LEDs are producing the breathing animation that we wanted. That's it for this mod. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.